Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing a brand new limited or special edition box by Tili from QVC, and this is what it looks like. It's their Heatwave Summer Edition box. It is absolutely gorgeous. I've only ever received one Tili box before, and that was just before Christmas time around the Black Friday deals because QVC had them all at half price, so I thought I'd treat myself. Now inside contains a lot of beauty products. QVC release these boxes I believe every couple of months. I'm sort of new to this, so I will be looking online to gather any more information I can find. The box costs £20 and it has a value of £119. There's 8 products inside this box and they're from brands like Benefit, Tarte, Dhatelo and Nails Inc. So a really great box with great well-known brands inside. So about this box then, on the website it says, embrace the sunshine state of mind with our Heatwave beauty box, filled with a hydrating hair hero, mood boosting fragrance, iconic bronzing powder and more. We've got the ultimate array to complement your summer look. Whether you're hitting the beach or planning the ultimate staycation. This box includes over £119 worth of products for just £20. The saving is based on per mils cost of full size products directly from QVC. So all the products that are in this box, obviously you can buy the full of size versions on their website, and it just says it's not a subscription, no commitments. If you like it, you buy it. If you don't, you don't. And it tells you everything what's inside the box as well, so you get to see the products so that you know what's inside and then make your decision. So let's open it up and show you what I got inside. I've got to say, all links and everything related to this box I'll list down below, so click show more underneath this video and that'll bring a description. It'll all be down there. I've had a quick sneak peek, but I haven't had a proper pull out and have a look. I couldn't resist. So we've got a little card in here and it tells you everything about the product, so I'll be referring to these as we go along. And this is what it looks like. There's those. So the first item, we've got a Nyom Organics London Energy Burst Pulse Point scent, and this is 5 mils. Cute little bottle. What's that? So what's it smell like? Oh, it's nice. Really nice, invigorating. You can smell sort of, it's lots of things in there, like lemons and oranges. It's gorgeous. It is really lovely. In a random selection of Great Day or Energy Burst, okay, I've got Energy Burst, energize your mind and body with a zesty, revitalizing neon fragrance, perfect for popping on before a flight or a big night out. So there's the first item, and no, I'm really happy with that. Perfumes, oh, it can be a bit dodgy, but no, I do really like that. Next, we've got a product by Tweaked by Nature. This is 100 mils, and this is Restore Hydrating Treatment Balm for dry, damaged hair. A leave-in treatment balm to help control frizz, but while boosting hydration and shine. Never tried anything by this brand before, so it's nice to see something that I haven't tried. And it says this luxe treatment works to soothe locks while controlling unruly frizz. It also makes a fantastic blow dry balm for added heat protection. So there's that. That's item number 2. Next, we've got a gym for your skin, and it's B-Hit Vitamin B Booster Serum, and this is 300 mils. I love trying different serums. That is the one item of my skincare that I do tend to mix up a little bit. I like to try different serums, and the fact that it's a vitamin B, I have trouble with my vitamins and minerals. I have trouble regulating them, and vitamin B is one of them. B12 mainly, but yeah, vitamin Bs I always have a bit of difficulty, so having something that I can put on my skin and a serum for my skin, it sounds really good. Soothe parched skin and add a dewy glow with this hydrating formula developed to protect against free radicals and pollutants. So there's that one there. Next, we've got an item by The Ordinary, and again, I was excited when I saw this. This is something I've been wanting for a long while, but I haven't bought it, and it's about £6-7, so it's not super expensive, but it's quite a strong skincare product. It's a AHA 30% and BHA 2% is peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial, 30 mils, and this is a full size. And it's bright red. From what I read online, it's not like a daily thing to use. It's more like a monthly treatment or a fortnightly treatment. It depends on how well your skin gets used to it and how sensitive your skin is, but apparently it's supposed to be absolutely wonderful. For me, I'd be using it, say, monthly as a really deep cleanse, exfoliating sort of part of my regime. But yeah, hopefully you can see there, it is bright red or like a purple. So I'm really happy to have it because I got no excuse now to use it. I think I was a little bit put off by it, but a little bit worried. So it says here, your newly weekly treatment to help clear congestion and reveal a dewy glow, all with a gentle yet effective formula. So whatever your skin can take. So if I can do it on a weekly basis, perfect. I'll give it a go and see what it's like on my skin. Next we got a little tube of something by, oh, it's by Dhatelo, and this is a Mandarin Sunkist cream. And it's cream ombre, 97% natural origin, and it's essential oils. Sunkist cream, still none the wiser. This is 15 mils. Ooh, it's tinted. Okay, Sunkist cream, of course. Tinted moisturiser, can you see there? Wow. First thing I do is sniff everything like a blimmin' dog. But no, oh, that feels lovely. Oh, that is nice. When it first came out, for me, as you can tell, I'm pretty pale. I thought, whoa, how dark is that? But it's not. It's a really, really, really nice sun-kissed sort of glow, and it feels really lovely as well. Oh wow! Dhatelo Green Mandarin Sun-Kissed Day Cream add a healthy glow to skin with a subtle sooths all tint packed with hyaluronic acid, beta-carotene and refreshing citrus oils. Didn't know what it was at first, but no, I'm really happy to give that a go. I can't wait. Next we got a little nail polish by Nails Inc. I've just received one of these, a very similar colour in my Birchbox this month as a extra freebie because someone used my code. But no, this is brighter. I love this. Oh, it's right in front of me. See, very similar colours, both by Nails Inc. I love this though. Whoa, it's called Strictly Bikini. That is super bright. Can you see there? That is super bright. I've got gel nails on at the moment, but they're growing out. Can you see? But they're growing out, so I'm gonna have to take them off possibly in the next like week or two or something like that. But oh, I really fancy something this bright, or even on my toes, a nice toe shade. In a random selection of Strictly Bikini, which is a vibrant orange, Not Invited, which is a bright blue, or it's 12 PM somewhere, a bold purple. Oh, I'm glad I got this one then. Upgrade your mani-pedi and enhance your tan with a striking neon hue, formulated with anti-fade and non-dulling technology. So there's that. Next we've got a Hoola Benefit, and this is the bronzing powder. And what size is this? This is 3 grams. That's the outer packaging anyway. So this is like a little sample size. Oh, it's cute. Look at the packaging. Look at that. That is super cute, isn't it? That is so small. Look. So a really nice size, like to take on holiday with you, or if you're going away for the weekend or something. I do love this bronzer. I've got the bigger version, and yeah, it's just a really nice colour. It's a nice matte colour, and yeah, no, it's nice. It's something I'm at the moment I'm using a NARS one. It's a sample I received in Feel Unique Pick and Mix a couple of months ago. It's NARS Laguna, and I love that. That is stunning, but that's got a slight shimmer in it. I think this one's completely matte, but no, I really like it. And I like the size actually, because it'll come in handy if ever I'm going away somewhere and I want to like downsize my sort of makeup collection and beauty skincare and all that, because I don't like to bring it in, especially going away on holiday. I don't want to bring a load of all my full size items. So no, I'm quite happy to have that size. So it says Benefit's iconic best-selling bronzer in a super cute travel size. The ultra flattering matte finish is perfect for adding warmth and contouring, or even using as an eyeshadow. So there's that. And lastly, we got something which really excites me. It's Tarte product, and this is Amazonian Clay 12-hour highlighter, and this looks full size. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting it to be. I thought it would be like the Hoola bronzer, but no. Oh my gosh, it's in Sparkler. That's what it looks like there. So let's open it up. It's got a little mirror there. Can you see? Wow. It's not a daytime highlighter for me. That is super shimmery, but wow, for a night out or something, a special occasion, that is stunning. Or even as an inner corner highlight, or just above, you know, just to brighten up the inner corners of my eyes. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm really chuffed to that, So the information says This creamy champagne hued powder is perfect for a strobe effect highlight. Add this buildable formula to cheekbones or anywhere you want to glow. So those are all the items. I'm just going to show you them one by one if you fancy getting this box for yourself, just so you know, like a recap. So first item is, it's Gem for your skin. It's a vitamin B face serum. Neom Organics London, it's a Pulse Point perfume scent. Then we got a travel size Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Then we got a Nails Ink nail polish in shade Strictly Bikini. Then we got the Ordinary Appealing Solution. Then we got a Dhatelo Sunkist Day Cream, a tinted day cream. Then we've got a Tarte 12-hour Amazonian Clay Highlighter. And lastly, we got a Treat by Nature Hydrating Hair Balm. Really lovely box this month. I think so personally anyway. I'm not affiliated with QVC or Tili or anything like that. As I said, if a box takes my fancy, I will buy it. I haven't bought one for many months, but this box really stood out to me, and we've got some amazing products. I keep looking over there because they're all to the side of me. But yeah, no, I'm really chuffed with it, and some products that I don't own, some products I've never tried, and that is a big pull for me as well. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed, really chuffed. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, as always, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.